Grammy-nominated RNB singer Jaheim is facing animal cruelty charges after he was arrested earlier this month in Fulton County. The singer, known for his hits like Just in Case and Anything, is accused of failing to provide adequate food, water, sanitary conditions, and ventilation for 6 dogs. Recently, police body cam was released of Jaheim getting arrested.
Man, Jaheim can't catch a break, man.
Why y'all searching through my bus? First of all, they gonna tell you everything. You don't have to put the cuffs on me like that, man. Why are you hurting my wrist? You putting these cuffs on too tight, man. Hold on, my shit. Bro, what are you doing this for, man? Why you letting him treat me like that, man?
Relax.
You all hostile, man.
Not really. You should have came.
Why you doing that?
We called your name, correct?
I had to call my people to let them know what's going on.
We called your name, correct? Come on.
You call them. You don't know me. Hold on, what are you arresting me for? What's the reason
tell
you
you
arresting me?
everything. He's going to explain to you.
What am I being arrested for, bro? Why would I have handcuffs on? First of all, y'all searching something that's illegal, my man.
Not with a search warrant, sir.
It's not under my name.
We have a search warrant,
It's
though.
not under my name.
Holding the Family Trust, I know what it's
Don't
under.
matter. It's not my name.
I have a search warrant.
So what?
So we have
do you
grounds
think
to
you
search.
are?
The police.
You was chief of police, so what? You don't have jurisdiction over that bus.
We have a search
That's a
warrant.
private bus.
Because you have a warrant for animal cruelty, sir.
Why do I have a warrant for animal cruelty?
Because of the condition of your dogs.
What condition of what dogs?
The dogs you have in your RV, sir.
What dogs?
The dogs in your RV.
Those are not under my name.
They're in your custody and care right now.
They're not. I'm not driving that bus as well.
Okay. Put him in. Go start. Put your feet in. Turn around. Put your feet in.
Where's your
Well, now.
How you doing?
I'm good.
Can we figure something out? Because this is like for what? I have nothing on.
Okay. You want to make sure you don't have anything.
This don't make any sense, man. Why are they taking my babies, man? Can I have my keys back, please?
No, sir. Step aside.
Get the watch.
This is making.
I gotta take that jewelry off. I gotta take this stuff off the jail. Dude, just no inside of it.
You can take it off and then we can get work we done. Can you put your camera on, please?
It's on.
Where your camera at?
Right here.
Can you please make sure it's on?
It is.
I don't see the red button.
It's on.
Y'all got your cameras on? It's on. Because he's taking my gold chain off. I'm going to be suing you, miss. Both of y'all. Yes, I am. The trust will be suing you. I'm not even mad at your officers for doing your job. But this isn't illegal. This is all illegal. Everything.
Are you okay with him leaving that out?
No, I'm not. If you're taking it off of me now, it needs to be with me, not on the RV.
It's going to property.
It's gonna go on our property and
Okay,
everything.
let's go. Why are you taking it off of me now?
Because you can't take it into the jail.
I know how this goes. I've been arrested before.
I get that.
You're supposed to put it in a plastic bag.
I get that. I will.
The keys and all of that.
I know.
Let me help you out. If you wouldn't have the cuffs so tight, this wouldn't happen. You're trying to break my arm, putting the cuffs on me. You see what you caused right here? You happy now? Are you happy? You want to be a cop so bad. You're not a cop. Devil, that's what you are. A devil. Nosy ass devil. That's none of your business. What goes on with those dogs? It's none of your business.
How you
Hold on, sir.
How you take this information?
I'm trying to take one.
Yes.
Hey, listen. What I can do is I can uncuff the one hand, let him take that off. So.
Okay, that's cool. I ain't going nowhere.
Hey, turn around, face the car for me real quick.
Makes no sense, man. But this isn't illegal. This is all illegal. Everything.
Are you okay with him leaving that out?
No, I'm not. If you're taking it off of me now, it needs to be with me, not on the RV.
It'll go into property. It's got to go on our property.
Okay, let's go. Why are you taking it off of me now?
You can't take it into the jail.
I know how this goes. I've been arrested before.
I get that.
You're supposed to put it in a plastic bag.
I get that. I will.
The keys and all of that.
I know.
Why? Why was there an animal cruelty on me?
Go ahead and get
Step
the
back on me.